Shandong TIANRENHAIHUA Biotechnology Company Limited is a leading manufacturer located in Shishui, Shandong, specializing in environmentally friendly biodegradable materials and products. For nearly 20 years, our team has been committed to the research and development of biodegradable plastics, providing reliable and sustainable packaging solutions to global markets. Our modern production facility covers 3,200 square meters and is equipped with multiple advanced production lines, enabling an annual output of 4,000 tons of high-quality biodegradable products. Our product range includes garbage bags, pet waste bags, shopping bags, and biodegradable paper bags, all designed to meet the needs of environmentally conscious consumers and businesses. With 2 decades of export experience, we have established strong partnerships in the United States, Canada, Australia, and Western Europe, becoming one of the most trusted suppliers of biodegradable and compostable products in China. We offer comprehensive OEM, ODM customization services, including logo printing, full-surface artwork design, customized packaging, and branded packaging boxes. Our products comply with major international biodegradability standards such as EN 13432 ASTM D6400 AS5810 and AS4736. Based on these standards, we have obtained globally recognized certifications including BPI OK Compost Home, OK Compost, DIN CertCo, ABA, and GRS, demonstrating our commitment to strict quality and environmental requirements. With strong production capacity, mature technical expertise, and consistently stable product quality, we are your reliable partner for high-performance sustainable packaging solutions.